Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. Today is part 2 of my series on Medicare. Before I get to that, if you need to speak with me, if you would like to speak with me, if you have any questions, please go to Call Frank Bruno. Medicare, Part C. So, as I explained in the first video on Medicare, Medicare has parts, right? So insurance companies have plans. Medicare has parts, A, B, C, D, right? We're going with the alphabet. Medicare Part A and Part B is original Medicare. Part C, also called Medicare Advantage, is a way to replace the government program of Part A and B with and through a private insurance company. So you would have a network. It would be a PPO or an HMO. There are many different plans, many different companies that provide Medicare Advantage. So why would people want to use Medicare Advantage rather than the government plan? Well, the government, Part A and B, does not cover, it does not provide 100% coverage. So there's still an out-of-pocket cost. To combat that, people either need to get a supplemental insurance, right, to fill in the shortfall, or they can choose to use Medicare Advantage. And then they get hospitalization, doctor's visits. Some have prescription plans. Prescription plans are Part D. I'll get to that later in the series. So Medicare Advantage is a private plan. It has to be approved by your state. And this is what I call a confusopoly. The plans really, they come with a monthly premium or an annual premium, and you really have to take a look at what offerings each plan has, because there might be, there will definitely be a monthly premium, and there might be a lower premium, but a higher copay or a higher out-of-pocket. So you really need to scrutinize the plans. Now, the period of eligibility when you can enroll for Medicare Advantage is the period of 3 months before you turn 65, all the way to 3 months after you turn 65. So you have that 6-month window, and you have to otherwise qualify for A and B before you can go to you can secure Medicare Advantage as a replacement for A and B. Annually, there is an enrollment period. So at the end of each year, insurance premiums go up, right? So at the end of each year, you'll get a notice as to what cost your plan will be for the following year. And there's an enrollment period from October 15th to December 7th. Annually, you can change plans. That's an open enrollment period. Used to be to the end of the year. Then they found that people didn't want to, do that when they were closer to the holidays, the end of year time. So it's been moved up for the last number of years, October 15th to December 7th. Other than that enrollment period, you can't change your plan unless you get knocked out or you move, because the plans are specific to the states. So if you live in New York and have a New York approved plan, and you move to Illinois, you'd have to get a new plan. So if you have any questions about your plan and you'd like to ask me, please go to callfrankbruno.com.